Hey guys, welcome back to Gear Focus. Today we're talking about two different 50mm APS-C lenses.
The two lenses that we're going to be looking at today is the TTartisan f1.2 lens, as well as the Kamlan 50mm f1.1.
By the way, we're doing a giveaway for an Aputure Amaran 100D, so make sure to stick around to the end of the video to get details on how to win that super cool light.
Now let's go ahead and talk about the lenses. Let's go ahead and kick this off with the price. Now, the Kamlan 50mm f1.2 comes in at a whopping $250 USD. Actually, that's not that much when you compare it to other 50mm lenses. However,
the TTartisan is only $100 USD, which is significantly cheaper than our competitor here, but we have to wait and see if this lens even stacks up to the Kamlan.
Now, before we get into the actual image that you can produce using these two lenses, let's go ahead and talk about the build quality.
The TTartisan has a 10-bladed clicked aperture that we really like. Has a nice little sound to it. And it's a little bit smaller than the Kamlan, but I kind of prefer how small it is.
Now, the Kamlan, on the other hand, of course, is significantly larger, but that is maybe to fit the 11-bladed aperture that is hidden inside.
But we do know that both lenses have an all-metal, solid build quality for how inexpensive they are.
Now, this next comparison is kind of a short one. We're gonna talk about minimum focus. The minimum focus of the Kamlan is slightly better than the TTartisan, coming in at 40 centimeters, whereas the TTartisan comes in at 50 centimeters. So yes, you can get ever so slightly closer with the Kamlan.
When we took these lenses out into the field to test the sharpness, we got some kind of interesting, weird results. With the TTartisan, it seemed like it was sharper when we were out shooting on location.
But the weird thing is that when we came back to the studio and we tested it on our sharpness chart, the Kamlan was significantly sharper, and oddly enough, especially in the corners.
So when it comes to color reproduction with these lenses, we decided to shoot on our two Fuji X-T4s with the exact same settings on both cameras.
Now, to make this a little bit more fun for us, we actually decided to shoot JPEGs, not RAW, which is, oh, great, but hold on. We used what is called a Fujifilm film recipe from Fuji X Weekly, and the one that we decided to use was called the Fujicolor Reel 100.
And shameless plug, Connor actually has a really good video on his channel all about Fuji X Weekly and those film recipes. So if you're interested in Fuji cameras, maybe go check out his video.
Now, when we went back and looked at those JPEGs, we did notice that the TTartisan lens was quite a bit warmer, whereas the Kamlan kind of tended to be more on the cold side. And of course, we did shoot JPEGs. If you had shot RAW, we could have fixed that in post. Sorry.
Going out and shooting with these lenses was really fun, and I was really curious to see which one would look better or more pleasing to my eye. So what did you think about comparing these two?
Through all the different photos that we took, spending the day with these two lenses, I really felt like I was going to like the Kamlan more.
Me too.
Honestly, maybe I should, because it is technically sharper. But there's something about this TTartisan lens that just looked better to me.
Yeah, it just has a little hint of magic, in my opinion.
Honestly, I wonder if maybe the slightly softened edges kind of created this natural vignetting maybe that added to the image. But additionally, this lens does have some other key things that makes it better than the Kamlan lens.
I really love how small this lens is. If you just hold the two next to each other, it's slightly more compact than the Kamlan. And I feel like that just fits the Fujifilm vibe perfectly.
Yeah.
Because it's nice, like you look like you're discreet when you're out with your camera. It's this small camera, small lens, but it packs a mighty punch.
Exactly.
And it looks awesome.
Additionally, the clicked aperture, like we said earlier, was just kind of a nice touch. I did find that when we were trying to match the aperture, I would, be like, oh, is that f4 or is it not? I don't know. But of course, the TTartisan lens, it was just click and you knew you were there. Honestly, in our opinion, after looking at everything, we think that the TTartisan lens is just a no-brainer compared to the Kamlan, because whether or not they're pretty identical in the image, it is under half the price.
Obviously, when it comes to shooting images, everything comes down to your personal preference, but it's just nice that we have this super affordable 50mm lens for your APS-C camera.
Okay guys, if you would like an opportunity to win the Aputure Amaran 100D, make sure to check out the link in the description for all the details on how you can win. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.